everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So how's everybody doing today? Yes, I am back at it again, and today I am heading into the fitness studio. Yes! I feel like I haven't been here forever because I've been playing tennis, which is also a really good sport, guys. I'm telling you. If you want to get a nice workout, tennis. Yeah, so, which day is it? I think it's day 45 of my losing weight journey. I'm terrible with keeping up with the days and the times, so please forgive me, y'all. It might be the 44. I am way off. It's actually day 55. 45 or maybe even 46. However, I am at it again, and I'm so excited to get into the fitness studio. The weather is absolutely gorgeous, so that always motivates me and helps me to want to get out and do my workout. What else can I say? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I discovered another guy, another YouTuber, and let's see. I gotta look him up. Oops. He's a motivational speaker. And yes, I know at one point they all kind of like sound alike. I mean, that's pretty bad to say. But you know what I mean. The motivational speakers are like that in one sense. They do sound sometimes all alike. But I find something different about this guy. I don't know. I'm curious to know what you all think. His name is Rob Dial, R-O-B, New World, D-I-A-L. And I listened to one of his videos of how to manifest anything. And he goes very in depth about manifestation and how to go about it and what you do and da-da-da-da-la-la-la. And I was thinking, dog, I've been doing what he's been saying for the very longest. I mean, I've always been a person, a dreamer. I think you also have to be a bit of a dreamer and already like see yourself visualize, I guess we all are in some ways, but I think some of us just don't use it in the proper way. Maybe you're manifesting negativity or bad things to happen. He talks about basically what comes out of your mouth has a lot of power, and it's so true, guys. It's so true. Oh man, I feel like I'm the living sample of it. It's really true. You have to, even though it might not be there, you have to already talk it, live it, just act as if it's already there, even though your circumstances are otherwise, and the moment you start doing it, I'm serious, it really will. It does happen. I mean, I don't know. This guy's really good. I like him. I think he's different from the other guys. I mean, or the other motivational speakers. I heard this once saying, eat the meat and throw away the bones, which means get what you can get from it, and the rest, you don't have to, if you don't need it, get rid of it. You know what I'm saying? But I think you can always pick up good information and good tips from other people, even though, sometimes, like I said, sometimes these guys, they all sound the same. But yeah, I'm digging this guy, and I just want to send a positive message out there for those who are like wanting to start something or do something, and you're like scared and you're like already putting self-doubt. I always say that in order for you to really accomplish something, you really have to get over self first. meaning you really have to convince yourself. If you can convince yourself and already have it in your mind and already, I mean, there's no stopping you. Whatever you do, it's already put into your mind. Do you know what I mean? I think you can convince anybody or anything, if you're looking to start a business or whatever it is that you want to do, just do it, just go for it and just believe in yourself, even though, you're scared. I mean, I think that's a way that you know that you're growing, is if you're scared that you might be doing something that, it's scary, but on the other hand, it's also a bit exciting, I heard another saying from somebody, I don't know who I heard it from, but it's so like, it gives you such a good feeling when you hear it. This person said, rejection is God's protection. And I thought, man, that is so cool. That is so cool. And if you think about it, it's really like that. So if you're afraid that whatever I'm going to do is not going to work, and maybe if it doesn't, that's why I say you got to already go in with the mindset it's going to work, But just say if it doesn't work, don't see it as something negative. Just see it as something like, oh my gosh, there must be something even better out there. This is God's way, or whoever it may be, whatever being or spiritual, whatever, is trying to tell you, look, this ain't it. I got something better lined up for you. So if it doesn't work, then don't worry. It will work. The key thing is just not to give up and just to keep believing, even though it just seems like, I don't know, maybe, if somebody says no, the next person might say yes. Or maybe that person you're thinking that might say no probably will say yes. You guys know what I'm talking about. However, I just wanted to put that out there. Anywho, let me get into the fitness studio. I don't have a lot of time today, but yeah. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more from me, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. I've been really good with that net lately. I've been putting up videos, and just because I want to. I have so much to share and so much to say, and I hope that I hope that I'm also helping somebody out as I'm helping somebody else out. I help myself out. The same advice that I give other people, I give to myself. I try to practice what I preach. So, anywho, guys, yes, I'm going to get to this fitness studio and do my thing because I don't have that long. I'm feeling motivational or motivated, but sometimes I am like, oh. But no, I'm gonna get in there. I'm feeling motivated, especially when the weather's nice. You know what I'm saying? You want to be like, oh, I want to go shopping and then some. But I'll do that afterwards, maybe. All right, guys. See you in a bit. Don't go nowhere.